The two features that sell this machine are its edge-to-edge cleaning and the automated drying system. Edge cleaning is phenomenal. Unlike older models, the roller brush extends almost entirely to one side, letting me clean flush against baseboards and cabinet kickplates. I used to have a 2-inch dirt margin along my counters where I had to follow up with a cloth, and the H12 Pro eliminates that in one pass. The second feature, the auto mode with dirt detection, is genuinely smart. I noticed the motor ramp up significantly on a dried coffee spill in my hallway, and the display instantly flashed red, indicating heavy soil. It adjusts the water flow and suction on the fly, optimizing both power and battery life when the floor is just lightly dusted. Crucially, the hot air drying cycle is a total game changer. I just park it on the dock, hit the button, and walk away. An hour later, the roller brush is bone dry, completely eliminating the mildew and sour water smell that was constant with every other wet vacuum I have tested.